morning guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my fall morning routine. As promised, I did a fall night routine a few videos back, so make sure you guys go check that out if you missed it. I probably should have done them flipped, like morning and then night, but whatever. So you guys already saw a few bits and pieces of my morning. I kind of just filmed those without talking and just did a little montage because I'm so tired in the morning. I can't even fathom putting a camera in front of my face, you know? So we had to get my coffee in my system, get myself together a little bit, look presentable. I switched out of sweats into new sweats. So that's what's happening now. And I wanted to tell you guys about today's sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by Persona Nutrition. And I think you guys are really gonna love it because it's a personalized supplement subscription. So you take a health assessment and it kind of helps you figure out what supplements are best for you. I know it can be really intimidating to start getting into supplements and vitamins because you don't really know what your body needs. I know that we listen to recommendations that people say here on YouTube, but really everybody's different. So I think taking the assessment really helps you out. I've been taking supplements for years, but I still feel like I need a little help here and there. And it's really cool because it comes in this little box and you just pull out each little one when you're ready to take it. So it does have morning and night for me. I'm not sure if every single one has morning and night, but one of my concerns was better sleep. And honestly, I've been sleeping so well since taking the supplements. So that's actually really great because I have a really hard time falling asleep. And we are gonna make breakfast here in a few minutes. So I'm gonna wait to take these until after I eat because that's just my preference. And I know they recommend that you do that. It says morning Jamie. And what we have in here is a daily probiotic, which I think is essential for most people. A foundational multivitamin, hair, skin, and nails, peppermint plus, and a skin probiotic. So these all matched up to my concerns after the health assessment, and you guys will get your own tailored supplement schedule with whatever your biggest concerns are for your health. So huge thank you to Persona. I know that you guys will love this if you try it out. Let me know what you think. I do have a 30% off code in the description box with my link, so make sure you guys click that and you can get 30% off your first 2 orders. So that's a huge save and I think you guys will really love it. But let's head downstairs. I will be taking these in a few minutes once I'm done eating. But I am feeling like some oatmeal. That's kind of been my vibe this fall. It's a very like cozy, warm kind of breakfast, and I just feel like we need that today. It's very filling and just good comfort food, you know? So I'm gonna go make that and we'll eat breakfast. Here's how I make my oatmeal. We have the gluten-free rolled oats from Thrive. I add a little bit of chia seeds, a little bit of brown sugar. Just, they need to be a little sweet, okay? I need some brown sugar in there. I always do cinnamon, and then today I'm gonna do some pumpkin pie spice to make it a little festive. And I'm also gonna add almond milk, of course, and some of my protein. This is the Stock Nutrition vegan protein, plant-based, and I always add it to make it a little more filling and add some protein to it. Yum, my favorite. I think I'll leave my recipe below for you guys in case that wasn't very clear when I talked about it. It'll be in the description box. I think I'm gonna eat outside since it's so nice. I don't know the temp, but it feels good out here. Sorry, I have things in my hands, guys. And while I eat my breakfast, I'm gonna watch the morning toast. Not sure if you guys can see it. I watch it every single day, Monday through Friday. It's a huge part of my morning routine. If I don't watch it in the morning, I watch it like while I'm eating lunch or whatever. And they talk about all kinds of things, mainly like pop culture, like current events, and just it kind of keeps me in the know of a lot of things. So and it's really hilarious to watch. If you guys are toasters, comment below because I'm definitely a toaster. I've been watching for years now and I just love it so much. I've been watching since they were the Morning Breath, and then they were like gone, and now they're the morning toast. So if you know, you know, but I just love it. Okay, done with breakfast. In case you guys were wondering why I was making so much, I always make some to save so that I have breakfast for the next few days. It's just a really easy thing to do when you're making oatmeal, since you can make more than just for one person. You might as well save it and kind of have like a meal prepped breakfast so that it's quick and easy. And now it's time to take my vitamins. Got them right here in my little pocket. And I'm gonna take them now since I ate. I need to clean the house so bad too, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Then I'm gonna decorate for Christmas this weekend, which is really fun. I'm gonna do that on Sunday, so I'm gonna clean the house so that it's like nice clean canvas, you know? So got my vitamins, my water, my Hydro Flask that's filled with ice water. I am an ice water addict. Like I literally drink so many of these every single day. I'm just like, I can't stop. I don't know what it is. I know people have a hard time drinking water. It's like opposite for me. I drink too much probably. So also my hidden talent is that I can take all my pills at once. If you can do that too, comment below and let me know. So like you guys saw at the beginning of this video, I did just a little montage. Basically all you guys missed that I didn't show in this video is that I fed Ellie breakfast and I did my skincare routine. And like I mentioned in my night routine, I'm kind of breaking out a lot right now and I have been like the past few months. So I'm not really like down to share my skincare routine and like recommend things to you guys when my skin isn't even in a good place. So that's why I didn't show that this morning. So I will update you guys on that when the time is right. I'm just grabbing my notebook for my room because I planned out my day in my room last night while I was watching a Christmas movie. Don't ask. So I'm just grabbing this and a few things that I need to bring down to my office, and then I'm gonna start work, which, what am I doing today? I'm editing my Big Bear vlog. So that should be up by the time you guys are seeing this, so make sure you check it out. But yeah, I'm gonna get to work and start my day. That is pretty much my morning routine. It isn't super exciting, but it does change every once in a while because when you work from home, you kind of have the freedom to make your own morning routine and kind of just try out new things and new habits. And that's kind of what I'm doing right now in the fall. So I hope you guys enjoyed. One more thank you to Persona for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys check out my link in the description box for 30% off your first 2 orders. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.